morning, Sean.
Morning.
Good morning, Haley.
Good morning.
How are you two doing today?
Very well, thank you.
Good, good. All right, guys. So I need something from you guys. So I just made a deal with Whole Foods, Vons, and Costco, and we need to increase the output of our factory. I also expect to drop our costs and still keep the great, delicious quality we are known for in our cookies. We need to work quick because I made a promise with these customers, and I am open to buy new equipment, but make sure it's under our budget. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys later.
Okay.
Talk to me if you need anything.
Hi, Sean. So, just to reiterate what Pablo was saying earlier, we have to make sure that this machine will fit in the kitchen. It has to maintain quality because our cookies are the best in the country. Promises that Pablo made to all of these different companies, we have to get these cookies out by Christmas, but we need the machine a few weeks beforehand so that we can start making the cookies to get them in production, to be able to get them to the stores in time. So do you think this can be done?
I do.
Good. Let's go see your drawings then.
Okay.
All right, Sean, let's see your designs.
Okay, so here's my design for the new machine.
That's beautiful.
Oh, thank you. It's got a few different components that we're definitely going to need to source from other places, like a conveyor belt, the heating source. We need a pump for the dough to go into, and then for the frosting at the very end. So here's all of the different materials we're going to need, and that.
And you think that's going to be doable under budget?
It should be. It's going to be close, but I think we'll be able to come in a little bit under budget.
Okay, I think there are two companies that we have that we can source these from. One we have more of a transactional relationship with, so that might be more cost effective. But the other company we have a collaborative relationship with. So I'll go speak with these companies and I will get back to you very soon.
Okay.
Okay. Hi Michelle, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Haley?
It's been a while since we've seen each other, but so we have a new project that we'd love for you to work on.
Okay.
We are trying to build a new cookie machine for the holiday season. We're trying to increase productivity and efficiency while decreasing cost but maintaining our delicious cookies. So this is the design that our engineer drew up, and these are a bunch of the sort of more interesting parts that you guys might have to work on. But we really think that you guys are the best company to do this. Do you think that you can do something like this for us?
Yeah.
The only problem is that we need it pretty quickly because the holidays are coming up, and our CFO decided that we're going to have our cookies in the market for Christmas time.
Great.
So that's
No,
our
I
only
totally
one
understand.
restriction.
So, because we need this deadline, I might have to send over an expedite fee. Is that okay?
I'm not sure about that. We sort of have a pretty strict budget.
Okay.
So it sort of depends on how much the expedite fee is, but with your guys' expediting fees in the past, it might be a little bit too expensive.
Okay, no, that I totally understand. Let's try to work this out. We did get a return order from another bakery, and I think what we can do is actually modify the machine to fit your criteria, and we can send it over in probably a week because it doesn't take that long for those adjustments.
Okay, let's talk about that some more.
Great.
All right.
Go into the contracting.
Okay.
Perfect.
Hey, how's it going? So my company right now is actually looking to source out this new machinery for our bakery, and I know that you're not on our approved supplier list, but I've done work and seen your work before in the past, and I know that you'll be able to do this. So I was wondering if we could get together at some point, maybe kind of work out a deal within the next couple days, because I know that my procurement department is going to go meet with some other suppliers right now, and if we're able to get this through quicker, you'll be able to get the contract, and it'll be a lot easier because I know you and we don't really necessarily know this other supplier. So just let me know when we can meet up and start a meeting. Thanks.
Hi, Sean. Thanks for coming and seeing me today.
No problem.
So I just got off the phone with a very interesting phone call with a company who thinks that they have a contract with us, but I never sent out for a request for proposal or any sort of contract information from them. In fact, I've never even heard of them before. And we already have a contract being set up with Cookie Metal Masters. Do you know what this is about?
Yeah, so this is actually my friend's company, and I gave him a call the other day because I knew we were going for this, and I know he does great work, so I thought that I'd just kind of get him in the door for our company.
Are you serious? Like, engineers are not allowed to do that. That's my whole job, is to be an intermediary between you and the companies, because we have all these rules about who we're allowed to source from. How could you do this? You're like, this is fraud, Sean. Like, you giving your friend a job is fraud. Do you understand how serious this is?
Well, I mean, yeah, I guess, but I know he does good work, and I know him, so if anything goes wrong, I can just kind of go and talk to him.
But they have to pass all sorts of inspections and qualifications and stuff. This is not okay. I can't believe you would do this. It's fraud. This is so bad, Sean. I can't believe you would do this. Get out of my office. Hi, Pablo.
Hi.
So we had a little bit of a mishap with Sean, our engineer. After I had already sent out the contract to Cookie Metal Masters, he decided to go out and throw a contract to one of his buddies who's not on any approved supplier list, and started a contract with them. I took care of it. Sean knows not to do it again, and the contract's not valid or anything, and we're still going forward with Cookie Metal Masters, and we'll still meet all the deadlines and have the cookies in the shop. So don't worry about anything. I just wanted to inform you about this little problem we had.
Okay, we gotta take care of those engineers. They can't be doing that to our company.
I know.
Remember,
That could have been really bad.
we need to get that going, because Christmas is coming up, and we made that promise, and we need to make money.
We'll absolutely have it done, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So as you can see, the various sections of the company have fought due to their inability to fully communicate the objectives and the plans in which they needed to fulfill the objectives. Therefore, because each section had a different method of getting to the main objective, it caused a little bit of a stuck in the supply chain. But that is what we do, and that is how we run the supply chain. And as we progress with our supply chains, we learn that to consolidate these sections. So thank you very much for listening and watching.